Rip it,
Go ahead,
rip
you're
it.
loud. Good. Put that in front of it like this, look. Good. And then we're gonna rip it again. Okay? Good, there's no right or wrong, perfect. And now we're gonna roll it up into a ball. We're gonna make a ball out of the paper, okay? And what we're gonna do is blow on it as we make the ball. Go ahead, make the ball out of yours. That's it. Everybody on the count of three, yo, hocus pocus. 1, 2, 3.
Hocus pocus!
And now, Dana, what you're going to do is open up that ball and show everybody what a beautiful gift you made me, while I open up mine and show everybody what I made you. I can't wait to see what you made me, because that always makes me the greatest. She's like, I can take the ball on the floor, that's all I do.
Open it up, Dana. Open it up. Don't roll it.
I can't wait to see what you made me.
Put it on!
Don't mess up our hair.
Put it on.
Uh-oh, is everybody okay over there?
I don't feel anything.